my troubles down to Madame. You know that gypsy with the gold cap too. She's got a pad down on 34th and Vine, selling little bottles of Love Potion number 9. I told her that I was a flop of chicks. I've been this way since 1956. She looked at my palm and she gave a magic sign. She said, what you need is Love Potion number 9. She bent down and turned around and gave me a wink. She said, I'm gonna mix it up right here in the sink. It smelled like turpentine and looked like India ink. I held my nose, I closed my eyes, I took a drink. I didn't know if it was day and night. I started kissing everything inside. When I kissed a cop down on 34th and Vine, broke my little bottle of Love Potion number 9. I closed my eyes, I took a drink. I didn't know if it was day and night. I started kissing everything inside. I had so much fun that I'm going back again. I wonder what'll happen with Love Potion.